Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to log into your AliExpress affiliate account right from your phone. It's a very easy and simple process, so we're gonna go through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and open up your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the AliExpress portals. Now in the AliExpress portals, here you can see the button Start Earning. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to the AliExpress affiliate login page. Now enter your email address registered with your account. Or if you created your account with Facebook, Google or Twitter, you can tap on the respective buttons to continue signing in. And once you enter your email address, now enter your registered password with this account and you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard page. So that's it. That's how you can log into your AliExpress affiliate account on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.